All right, let's go over the right answers to your work that you were supposed to do yesterday. You were supposed to diagram 4 different atoms. You were supposed to do silver, chlorine, uranium, and bromine. And you were supposed to use the Niels Bohr model. The Niels Bohr model looks like this, where you have a nucleus with protons, neutrons. Then you have the boxes that look like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, one more. 7. All right, it's on the screen. All right, so the first one we're supposed to do is silver. Silver is Ag. It's number 47 and 108. All right, it's atomic number and atomic mass. So from that, we're going to use atomic number. That's the number of protons, which is 47. Figure out neutrons. We take these two and subtract them, and that gives me 61 neutrons. Now, one of those two numbers decides how many electrons I have, and it happens to be protons. So we're going to have 47 electrons. And now we're going to distribute them in here. So the first spot we're going to do is we're going to put 2 in the first. So I'm going to subtract 2, that's 45 left. Then I go over to the second box, drop off 2. Drop off 2, that's 43 left. Then I come down, drop off 6. Subtract 6, that's 37 left. Now I start my arrow, my typewriter thing, and go up, drop off 2. That's 35 left. That's the top ding, come down to here, there's nothing to go back, so this is the spot where I go. So I go 6, that's 29 left. Now I typewriter out, go 2, drop 2, that's 27. So that's now ding, drop down, go backwards. Well, there's nothing over here, so this is my lowest spot. That spot holds 10, so I can put 10 in there. So I'm going to subtract 10, that leaves me with 17 left. Now I start typewriting back out, go to here, drop off 6, subtract 6, that's 11 left. Go up here, drop off 2, subtract 2, that leaves me with 9 left. Ding, drop down, drop back, there's nothing here, so this spot will hold 10, but I only got 9 left, so that's where I stop at. Okay. So now we're going to double check and make sure we did this right. Go to the periodic table. The last spot that I dropped off was in the row where the 10s are, so that happens to be this center orange area on my periodic table. It's the 1, 2, second box of 10s, and I put 9 in there. So that means, looking at this periodic table, I start here, count down 1, 2. Then I'm going to count over how many electrons I dropped off, which is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's silver. So we did it right. Amen. All right, let's go on to the next guy. Next one happens to be chlorine. So I'll erase all this. And I'll erase these. All right, so chlorine is 17 and 35. So how many protons does he got? You should have 17 protons. Figure out neutrons, subtract those two, he's got 18 neutrons. Now how many electrons does he have? Protons equal electrons. So he's got 17 electrons. So now we'll start putting these things in. We're going to go 2 in the first one. Subtract 2. It's 15 left. Then I go over, drop off 2. Subtract 2, that's 13 left. Now I come down to here, drop off 6. 6. That leaves me with, what is that, 7 left. All right, so now I start my arrows going up and I drop off 2. Drop off 2, that's 5 left. Ding, drop down to here. And I could put 6 in there, but I only got 5 left, so I'm going to put 5 in there. And that's my end, right? Because that ends up emptying out my bucket. So double check, see if we're right. The spot where we drop this one off is in the row where the 6s are. So according to my periodic table, that's this area over here on the periodic table. It's the 1, 2, second box of 6s. We dropped off 5 electrons there. So we are going to start in this upper corner right here. And we're going to count down 1, 2, because it was the second box. Count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's chlorine. Good. We did that one right. All right, next one is uranium. Ooh, big one. All right. Erase all these guys. All right, uranium is 92 and 238. So how many protons does he got? He's got 92 protons. How many neutrons? Subtract those two, that's like 146. So how many electrons does he got? He's got 92 electrons that we got to put up there. Whew. That's a lot. We can do this. So we're gonna put 2 in the first. Subtract 2, that's 90. Go over, we're gonna drop off 2. Subtract 2, that's 88 left. Come down, we're gonna drop off 6. Subtract 6, that's 82 left. Now I start my typewriter thing, go up, drop off 2. That's 80 left. Ding, drop down to here, put 6 in. That's now 74 left. So now I typewriter out, go to here, drop off 2. That's 72 left. Ding, drop down, jump back to here. There's nothing down here, so this is my lowest one. So I'm going to put 10 in there. So I subtract 10, that's now 62 left. Now I typewriter out, go to here, drop off 6. Subtract 6 from that, so that's 56 left. Go up to the next one, drop off 2. Subtract 2, that's 54 left. A whole bunch of them here. Ding, now we jump down, go back. There's nothing on here, so this is my lowest spot. So I'm gonna put 10 in there. Subtract 10, that's 44 left. Now typewriter out, go to 6. Drop off 6, that's 38. We're getting down closer. Go up to here, drop off 2. That's 36 left. Ding, jump down, then I jump back like checkers, go dink, dink. This spot holds how many? Remember, Ed, oh, hold on, get the lights back on. Hold on. They're there. So we jump down, jump all the way back to here. And how many do we put in there? 14. So we're going to subtract 14 from here. Now that's like 22 left. Ooh, we're almost down to the bottom. Start working our way up. We can put 10 in here. Subtract 10, that's 12 left. Got 12 left. So go up to here, drop off 6. Subtract 6. That is 6 left. Go up to here, drop off 2. Subtract 2, that's 4 left. Take a break. All right, jump down, jump back to here. This one will hold 14, but I only got 4 left. So I'm going to put 4 in there, and that's my end. All right, let's see if we did this right. So this time we dropped it off in the 14 area. The 14 area is the area that's down here underneath the periodic table. Right? And it's the 1, 2, it's the second box of 14s, and we put 4 in there. So we're going to go start here, go 1, 2 down, then we're going to count over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's uranium. Good, we did that one right. Okay. Last one's bromine. Got to erase all this stuff. All right, erase all these. There we go. All right, so we're doing bromine. He is number 35 and 80. So how many protons does he got? 35. How many neutrons? Take these two numbers and subtract. So that's 45 neutrons. Now how many electrons does he have? Same as protons, so 35 electrons. So now we're going to distribute those 35 electrons. So we got 2 in here. Subtract 2, that's 33 left. Jump over, drop off 2. That's 31 left. Then we jump down, do 6. Subtract 6, that's 25 left. Now I'll start my typewriter, go up here, drop off 2. Subtract 2, that's 23 left. All right, we jump down. There's nothing over here, so this is my lowest one. Subtract 6. So that is 17 left. Now we do my typewriter again, go up to here, drop off 2. Subtract 2, that's 15 left. Ding, jump down, jump back to here, we got 10. Subtract 10, that's 5 left. Well, we can go up to here. This place will hold 6, but I only got 5 left, so I'm going to put 5 in there, and that's where I'm going to stop. All right. Now let's see if we did it right. This time, again, we dropped it off into 6s, but it's the 1, 2, 3. It's the third box of 6s, and we dropped off 5 electrons in there. So I go to my periodic table. This area over here is my 6th region. It was the third box. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Let me move closer. Now we're going to count over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's bromine, so we did this guy right. Whew. All right, so there's the answers. Hope you got this, and we'll move on to the next one. See ya.